Good morning, friends. I hope you're having a good start to your week. Let's take a look at today's morning message. We are still in the month of May, and yesterday we were on this number, so let's take one jump forward. Go ahead and say that number out loud while I add it to today's message. All right, and now let's go back and take a look at today's day of the week. If we find that number again, we're gonna drag our finger to the top. I'm gonna guess you're an expert at the days of the week now. Go ahead and help me spell that day of the week as I write it. And then let's talk about the weather today. The weather this week is a little bit tricky because when I checked the weather this morning, it looks like it's going to change a whole bunch today. So if you're watching this and it's a little bit different, it might have changed. I hope it changes to sunny, but right now when I look out my window, it's a little bit gray. So I'm going to say today that the weather is cloudy. It does look like by the end of the week, it's going to be very warm outside, even warm enough to maybe wear shorts if it's not raining. So I'm excited about that. All right, let's go ahead and read the beginning of our message together. May 12th, 2020. Good morning, KA and KB. Today is Tuesday and the weather is cloudy. Let's take a look at what we're going to be doing today. Our next sentence has a lot of popcorn words at the beginning. There's so many popcorn words now, they're just popping up everywhere. When you look at this word, you can stretch it, and we can stick C and K together at the end to make one sound. This is a stretching word. You might even recognize that word. This is a stretching word. You probably don't even need to stretch. You probably recognize that word too. And this is a chunking word, two popcorn words stuck together. Go ahead and read this sentence on your own. And let's read it together. We will read for the duck, dog, and cat today. So for our Reader's Theater, you're going to practice reading for those three characters. Even though it's three different characters, they always say the same thing. They go together. And if you want to record your reading and send it to the teachers, we would love to add it to our Friday fun video that we're making for you. All right, let's look at the next sentence together. Some popcorn words to start us out here. This one is that almost a chunking word if we added an extra L there. So almost two popcorn words stuck together. This is a fun chunking word. We have popcorn word here, popcorn word here. Add this sound to the beginning. This is a magic E word, so A, it's going to say its name. E will say nothing. And C here is going to make the S sound. Popcorn word here. And this is a word that we want to stick these two sounds together. We have a bossy R at the end, so E is going to say nothing. So you can do a little chunking and a little stretching on that one. Go ahead and read this sentence on your own. And let's read it together. We will also visit a place down under. So there is a country, it's also a continent, that some people call down under. It's a place where kangaroos come from, and that's where you're going to visit today with Miss Brandy. Those are your clues about our social studies for today. All right, let's read our closing together. Love, Mrs. Rasnick, Miss Brandy, Miss Cortez, and Mrs. Donahue. Now today I have a very interesting fact for you about my favorite animal. You might know that my favorite animal is a hippopotamus, and I learned that hippos can run faster than people. That is your interesting fact for the day. I hope you have a great Tuesday.